Alright, this tutorial is going to cover how to use spice bombs. Spice bombs are GPS guided and they're dropped from Israeli planes. If you look on the left side, we're using an Israeli F-16I-52 Plus. So to start off, we click our flight up here, we click our aircraft, and we hit loadout. So you can see we have 2 spice bombs, we got 2 fuel tanks, targeting pod, and some air-to-air missiles. In this case, we're using the Spice 2000. So we come down here to our target area and we are going to plan some targets for these bombs. So steer point 7 is our target, it's an airfield, we're going to recon it. And we're going to expand the target list right here. So we're going to come down and we'll target a ammo dump as our first target. On the recon menu, you need to switch your steer points to weapon targets right here. Now that we have that done, we can hit accept for number 1. We'll find another ammo dump and we'll assign that to target 2. And we'll find a fuel depot, set that to 3. And we'll do the control tower to steer point target 4. Hit accept. We'll back out of these menus. And next step is verify your flight. Click your aircraft. Data cartridge, com plan, IFF plan, hit save, and if we come over to the targets, we can verify on the weapon targets area that we have 4 targets in our system. So next step is hitting takeoff. Alright, once we're in the air, the first thing we're going to do is make sure master armor is on and it's in the up position. It is right here. Come over here to the ICP. On the top right you have a button that says A-G. Click that to go to air-to-ground mode. We're going to come over here to our right-hand MFD, and we're going to bring up the SMS page right here. You can see that the proper weapon selected, SP20. If it wasn't, you'd click the button right here to the right, the OSB. Below that, it says power off, so we're going to click that button to warm it up. It takes a few minutes to warm up. So we're going to go ahead and speed up the game and wait until we're within range. Actually, before we do that, let's go over how to give your spice bomb a target. So we come down here to the dauber switch and we hit sequence to the right. We're going to hit 0 and then we're going to hit enter because you can see that brings up the spice page. So you want to hit dauber down once and it'll bring up your first spice bomb. Now if you look over here on the spice bomb, on the far right hand side of this line we have highlighted, it says 3. That means right now whatever we type in is going to give target information to weapon 3. So we'll come over here to the ICP, we'll press 1 for our first target, and we'll hit enter. Come down here to the SMS page, you can see now on weapon station 3 we have target 1 set to our spice bomb. So we hit down on the dauber switch to go to the second line. Now as you can see right here, this is on station 7, so we're going to put target 2 on station 7. Now down here on the SMS page we have station 3 highlighted, so if we press missile step we can switch over to station 7 and we can verify target ID 2 is on the other spice bomb. Now let's say we're flying along and our teammate hits maybe target 2, and because of that we want to switch what that bomb is going to. All you need to do is make sure you have the correct stations highlighted up here. So we'll highlight station 7 which has target 2 on it, and we can switch it to target 3 for instance. We'll hit 3 on the ICP and hit enter. As you can see right here on the MFD, it's switched the spice bomb on station 7 to now target 3. So what we got to do now, look at the HUD, and we're going to wait for this arrow on the right hand side to fall down to this bracket. That'll tell us we're within range. So let's go ahead and speed up the game a little. Alright, we're going to slow it back down to normal speed. Now that we're within range, you can see the arrows down in the bracket right here on the right hand side of the HUD. So we're going to press and hold weapon release. And you can see down the SMS page automatically switches over to the other bomb, so we're going to press and hold weapon release again. Alright, both weapons are away. We'll switch to those and we'll watch them hit the target. There we go. And there's the other one.